Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tian. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually research and analyze of a WordPress theme. So you can basically go to WP content and in the themes you can see currently there are four themes 20, 16, 17, 19 and 20. So you can actually go to each theme. If I go to 2016, so here you can see there are a number of files incorporated with the theme WordPress 2016. So there is single PHP, sidebar, content bottom PHP. Then we have sidebar PHP, search from PHP, search PHP. Then this is the screenshot which shows when you are selecting the theme, page PHP, index PHP, image PHP, header PHP, functions PHP, footer PHP, comments PHP, archive PHP, 404 PHP. So you can actually research any theme. Basically what you can do, you can also download the theme from wordpress.org that you want to research, and you can go through these files and you can actually look at the codes that are working behind the theme, so that you will know a better understanding. So here are a couple more files in the template parts, the biography PHP, content PHP. So basically every file has its own task, so you can actually go and see these files. There are a couple JS files. This is the included. uh, so there are a couple files as well, some CSS files. So each theme is different. So what files you will see in 2016, all the files may not be in 2017. So there may be couple files that is not present here, and there may be couple files that is present here but not present in 2016. So the variation can happen, and that's the beauty of a WordPress theme, that every theme is different from one another. Suppose in 2016 here you can see there are almost 23 files, uh, but in 2020 you can see there is only 21 files. So the structure is different. There are the functions are different. The PHP files, the code in these PHP files may differ from one another. So you have to check that for yourself in order to know. So it's a good way to learn new code and what's working behind any WordPress theme. It will actually help you understand other people's coding, as well as it will improve your own coding. So it's a good way to research. So this video is all about how you can do research on your own on any WordPress theme that you have. So you can just start with these themes like 2016, 17, 19 and 20, because these are like core WordPress themes that comes every single year. Next year we will have 2021. So yeah. So yeah, I guess that's it. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.